It's so easy.
Connecting, yeah.
Hey, ha! Boy, I'm in.
Hi, good day. I'm Kemar, and I'd like to welcome you guys to the Kemar Show. All right. I've been getting a lot of questions about how do I go about getting a mortgage in Jamaica recently. I mean, so much so that a customer called me on Christmas Day asking me the very same question. So I said, let me come over and tell persons how to go about getting a mortgage in Jamaica. It's gonna be a 3-part series, so like, subscribe, and follow for more details. Right? So part 1, to get a mortgage in Jamaica, you need to have a bank account with the institution that you will be seeking to utilize. Right? I work with one of the larger financial institutions in Jamaica, and I would recommend that you come over and join us, but I won't limit my information to just us. So pretty much in Jamaica, once you open a bank account, we do have some standard documents that we need. We need to know who you are, how it is that you earn your money, and where it is that you live, so we can communicate well. Right. So first order of business is, once you're an overseas resident, we ask for 2 ID types. So 2 IDs are required, and one of which we do ask be your passport. So your passport has what we call an information page. You can zone in on that information page and copy it. So that's the one that tells your name, your gender, your occupation on some, and it's your birthday and so forth. That information page is the copy that we are asking for. We do ask for your social security number or national insurance number, or anything that is equivalent to that of the Jamaican tax registration number. Right? We do ask you to take a copy of that as well. We do ask you to prove your income. So where is it that you work? What is it that you do? We ask you for either a job letter or a bank statement that your salary has been going to over a 6-month period at minimum. And we do ask you also, if it is that you're a pensioner, to provide a letter from your pension company or the bank account that your pension is deposited into. Right? We do also ask you for references, persons that have known you to be of good character. We ask that you provide us with their information, names and numbers, and in some cases letters from them. So for example, your bank, we ask that you can use your bank to give you a character reference. Your bank manager or bank staff would provide a letter that would indicate who you are, what type of character it is that they have of you, and that they would recommend you to do business with us. And I mean, if they have a bank account for you, then you could only be in good standing. We ask that you can provide it also from a notary public. Any customer that has been a part of my institution for at least 1 year with an active open account, and or we can use your employer as a reference as well. So your employer can give you a letter stating that they've known you for this long, they think that you're of good character, they know that you're of good character, and they would recommend you to have a bank account. Also, you could use a minister of religion, be it your Christianity for church or synagogue, so forth. Right? We do ask for a copy of your birth certificate. We do ask for 2 passport size pictures of you. So that's the portrait shot. We do ask you for that. And we do also ask that you provide us with a proof of address. Now, your proof of address can come in many forms. It can be a driver's license, the front and back is what we ask for. Your utility bill with your name and your address on it. A postmarked envelope that has been mailed through the postal system within your jurisdiction that has a postal stamp on it to indicate that it has traveled through, for the US persons, I know, federal mail and so forth. Right? In addition to this, we do have different institutions that have different documents to complete, be it an application form or forms to fill out. The institutions will forward those to you, and you can package everything and send it back to them. Everything here is to be done in original, so if you're not going to be coming to Jamaica to do it, we do ask that you package them in their original format. No scanned, no copied documents, just originals. And way to make a copy originals, so for instance I said a copy of your passport, the way to make it, which is from your notary public, they can notarize that document and indicate that this document has been seen by them and is true, and stamp and sign. Right, so all of these documents that we have, which we will put down in the descriptions below, should be notarized by a notary public within your jurisdiction, so that when they get to us, they are considered original documents. Part 2 and 3 will look towards the actual starting of the mortgage process with us. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thank you.